Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. This is going to be part two. This is the after of the 2016 Indian Dark Horse. Running out of some daylight here, but just wanted to get the after, show you if you are coming in on this. Part one, you can go to my channel or search for part one, just hit autoplay and it'll play right through from the before and the after. So check that out if you haven't. So I use the Ultimate Fast Finish on the paintwork. It doesn't add a high gloss. It's probably a hair glossy right now, but it'll kind of tone down. So all of this black paintwork, and again, the sun's just setting, so this like is the sun. You can see it's just kind of setting over there in the trees. So anyway, use the 303 Aerospace Protectant, which I absolutely love. It gives long-lasting UV protection. The leather here, check that out. The leather on the seats, the leather on the sissy seat, the leather on the backrest, all of the rubber and all of the plastics. These are plastic here. Did these are in metal, did them with the Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish, and also did everything that's metal that you see. I used the, I used that. I used the Eagle One product that I showed you before that's got kind of an oil sealant base. So went over that, just kind of polished those out. It's real light, not real like a heavy duty polish. But anyway, this thing came out absolutely great. This is kind of on the non-setting sun side, but you know, really got up in the wheels, the wheel wells, tires, everything done. Check out how nice and bright and shiny all of the metal work is on the engine. Polish the plates, polish the gas tank covers, just everything buttoned up. And this, once it gets its new block exhaust pipes, it is going to be phenomenal. So anyway, there you have it. I will tell you, it took me 5 hours and 15 minutes of work time to complete this detail. Rather lengthy, but I also don't push myself real super hard. I'm not trying to, you know, set speed records. You can see here the 303 Aerospace on this plastic. What I like about it is it's not greasy, it's not shiny, and it just is an amazing protectant for all plastics, rubbers, vinyl, leather. Really, really looks nice. Doesn't change the color, gives just a slight gloss. I don't like things that are super shiny. So anyway, there you have it. Only 3.5 minute video for me, pretty darn short, but I think I've got everything covered. I appreciate all of you. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, hit that subscription button. It really helps me out as I approach 1,000 subscriptions. You know, just do all the things you need to do. Hit the notification bell. You'll get great videos. And until next time, there's the flip side. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. I'll catch you on the flip side. Hey, and there's the flip side, back to the bike. All right, y'all take care. Thanks. Appreciate ya.